English tip by tip.
Tip 4. Question tag. Used at the end of statements to turn the statements into questions, usually to confirm something that we believe to be true. What's her name? Her name is Maria, isn't it? No, her name's Margarita. Tip 4. Exercise. Answer. What's his name? His name is John, isn't it? No, his name is Vladimir.
This is my party dress, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
This is his table, isn't it?
No, this is her table.
This is your apple, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
These are their books, aren't they?
Yes, they are. Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.